comfortable position on your mat. Make a nice triangle shape with your legs and place your hands on your knee and start taking long inhale and exhale for a while. Keep your back erect. Allow your head slowly bend backward so that you can look at ceiling. Now allow your head to fall forward so that your chin approaches top of your chest. During upward movement, inhale, and during downward movement, exhale. Do this exercise around 8 to 10 times. Now turn your neck slowly to the right. Turn till your chin and shoulder comes in one alignment. Then turn your neck slowly to the left. While turning your neck right side, inhale. And while turning left, exhale. Do this exercise around 8 to 10 times. With your shoulder facing forward, allow your neck fall towards left shoulder so that your left ear approaches top of your left shoulder. Then allow your neck to fall towards your right shoulder so that your right ear approaches top of your right shoulder. While bending your neck, do not raise your shoulder up to approach your ear on top of your shoulder. Keep your shoulder down, relax, facing forward. While bending towards left, inhale. And while bending towards right, exhale. Do this around 8 to 10 times. With your shoulder facing forward, gently start rotating your neck clockwise. During upward movement, inhale. And during downward movement, exhale. Then gently rotate anti-clockwise. Keep focus on your breathing. Do it 7 to 10 times, both this side. Make sure you don't do any sudden stretches. Do it gently while doing neck exercise. Make sure there are no jerky movement with continuous breathing. Sit in comfortable position. Keep your spine erect. Keep your hands on your thigh. Now start rotating your shoulder clockwise. During upward movement, inhale, and during downward movement, exhale. And then anti-clockwise. Do it around 10 to 12 times. Extend your arms out front of you. Gently rotate your wrist, clockwise motion. And then anti-clockwise. Do it this around 10 to 15 times. Keep your spine erect, bend your elbow and touch your shoulder with your fingers. Rotate both your hands clockwise. During upward movement, inhale. During downward movement, exhale. And then anti-clockwise. Keep focus on your breathing. Do it around 10 to 12 times each side. Sit in comfortable position. Keep your spine erect. Sit with arms in your front. Bend your elbow inwards. Your palms should be facing downward. Inhale and draw your arms out and come back. While coming back, exhale. Feel your chest and shoulder open up as you take several deep breaths. Squeeze your shoulder blade. Return and repeat. Focus on your breathing. Do it around 15 to 20 times. After doing chest opener exercise, relax for a while. Let your breathing comes to be normal. Take a long inhale and exhale and relax. Now sit in comfortable position, keeping your spine erect. Keep your right palm on your left knee and twist your body towards left side, keeping your left hand on the floor. While turning left, inhale and come back with exhale. Then keep your left palm on your right knee and twist your body towards right side. Return and repeat. Focus on your breathing. Keep doing inhale and exhale. Twist your body as much as you can. Don't force yourself. Do it around 7 to 10 times each side. Sit with arms in front of you. Bend your elbow inwards and twist your upper body left to right. Do it with continuous breathing. Do this around 10 to 15 times each side. Sit in comfortable position. Raise your right hand up with inhale. While exhaling, allow your upper body to fall towards left side and return. Then raise your left hand up and allow your upper body to fall towards right and return and repeat with continuous breathing. Do it around 10 to 12 times. Comfortable position with keeping your legs straight. Keep your spine erect. Raise your both hands up with inhale. While exhaling, bend forward and try to touch your toe with your fingers. Return and repeat. Keep focusing on your breathing. Do it around 15 to 20 times. Do it gently, don't force yourself. After forward band exercise, relax for a while. Take a long inhale and exhale and relax. Sit in comfortable position, keeping your spine straight, legs straight. Lock your fingers and then bend your right leg. Hold it with your hands. Bring nearby your chest and return. Do same with the left leg. Return and repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. Do it with the continuous breathing. Sit in comfortable position, keeping your legs straight, spine erect. Allow your feet slowly bend forward and then backward with continuous breathing. Do it around 15 to 20 times. Keep little bit distance between your leg. Now allow your feet slowly bend outward and then inward with continuous breathing. Do it around 15 to 20 times. Now rotate your ankle clockwise motion. Make sure you keep inhale and exhale constantly. And then anti-clockwise. Sit up straight and tall with your knees bent. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees opening outside. Grasp your feet and ankle and slowly lean forward, keeping your spine straight. Move your knee towards the floor with continuous breathing. Do it around 20 times. Make sure you keep inhale and exhale constantly. After warm-up exercise, sit for a while and relax.